Imagine that incredible moment when your AI project stops being a bunch of code on a screen and starts interacting with the physical world in real time. There's nothing quite like the thrill of seeing your custom neural network process data instantly right at the edge. And if you're ready to build something truly powerful, the reComputer J4012 powered by the NVIDIA Jetson Orin NX 16GB is the beast that's going to make it happen. This isn't just a development board, it's a production-ready, high-performance edge AI box. The Jetson Orin NX 16GB module inside is an absolute powerhouse, delivering up to 100 TOPS of AI performance. That is a massive amount of headroom for a device this size, allowing you to run multiple complex AI models like object detection, natural language processing, and even path planning simultaneously. With 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, you have the memory bandwidth needed to handle massive datasets and high-resolution video streams without the system chugging or dropping frames. What makes the J4012 model a total win for developers is how ready it is to go right out of the box. It comes with NVIDIA JetPack pre-installed on a lightning-fast 128GB NVMe SSD. Forget spending hours flashing SD cards and troubleshooting boot errors. You just plug it in, and you're in the same world-class software environment used by professional engineers worldwide. The hardware connectivity is equally impressive, featuring 4 USB 3.2 ports, an M.2 key slot for Wi-Fi/Bluetooth, and an M.2 key slot for expanding your high-speed storage. The thermal design is also top-tier. It's housed in a sleek, rugged aluminum case with a built-in fan and heatsink, ensuring that even when you're pushing those 100 TOPS to the limit, the system stays cool and stable. Whether you're deploying an automated quality control system on a factory floor, building an autonomous delivery robot, or creating a smart city sensor, the reComputer J4012 provides the industrial-grade reliability you need. Click the link below for the best price and bring your most ambitious AI visions to life today. If this breakdown helped you navigate the world of edge computing, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.